Tired of seeing that your message could not be delivered error when you're trying to DM someone on Discord from your computer? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing this pesky issue. So let's dive right into the solutions without any delay. Solution 1. First, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh int-ip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the issue is gone. Solution 2. Send friend request. Open up Discord and go to the DM where the error pops up. Then click on the add friend button to send a request. Once they accept the request, you should be able to DM them. Solution 3. Change Discord's privacy settings. To do this, open up Discord again. Next, click on the gear icon from the lower left corner of the screen to bring up the settings. Then switch to the privacy and safety tab. Now, click the box below the text direct messages from others and select show from the drop down menu. Then turn on allow direct messages from server members. Now, the problem should be fixed. So that's how you fix the your message could not be delivered error in Discord on your computer. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. And if you got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thank you for watching.